Apples are among the world's most popular fruits. They are high in fiber, vitamin C and various antioxidants. They are also very filling, considering their low calorie count. Studies show that eating apples can have multiple benefits for your health. Usually eaten raw, apples can also be used in various recipes, juices, and drinks. Various types abound with a variety of colors and sizes. When you look at the nutritional facts for one raw, unpeeled, medium-sized apple of 100 gram size, it contains calories about 52, water 86%, protein 0.3 grams, carbs 13.8 grams, sugar 10.4 grams, fiber 2.4 grams, and fat 0.2 grams. Apples are mainly composed of carbs and water. They are rich in simple sugars such as fructose, sucrose, and glucose. Despite their high carb and sugar contents, their glycemic index is low, ranging from 29 to 44. The glycemic index is a measure of how food affects the rise in blood sugar levels after eating. Low values are associated with various health benefits. Due to their high fiber and polyphenol counts, fruits often have a low glycemic index. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you 13 health benefits of apples. So watch the video until the end and to see the major benefits of consuming apple, and you will definitely find some of them surprising. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Our YouTube analytics shows that more than 90% of our viewers are not subscribed members. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Now, without further ado, let's get into the 13 health benefits of apples. Number 1. Apples may lower high cholesterol and blood pressure. Studies have linked apple consumption with reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, which may be related to the cholesterol-lowering benefits of the soluble fiber found in apples. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like material, according to the Mayo Clinic. According to the University of Illinois, soluble fiber helps prevent cholesterol buildup in the lining of blood vessel walls, therefore lowering the incidence of atherosclerosis or restricted blood flow in the arteries due to plaque buildup and heart disease. It can also help lower blood pressure levels. A study found that a higher intake of soluble fiber was associated with a decreased cardiovascular disease risk. Research shows that eating apples or pears regularly was associated with a 52% lower stroke risk. Furthermore, a study published in February 2020 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating 2 apples a day helped study participants lower both their LDL or bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Number 2. Apples may be good for weight loss. Apples are high in fiber and water, 2 qualities that make them filling. In one study, people who ate apple slices before a meal felt fuller than those who consumed apple sauce, apple juice, or no apple products. In the same study, those who started their meal with apple slices also ate an average of 200 fewer calories than those who didn't. In another 10-week study in 50 overweight women, participants who ate apples lost an average of 2 pounds or 1 kg and ate fewer calories overall compared to those who ate oat cookies with a similar calorie and fiber content. Researchers think that apples are more filling because they are less energy dense yet still deliver fiber and volume. Number 3. Apples support a healthy immune system. Who doesn't want a stronger immune system? Apples might be an important tool in your immune supporting toolkit. According to research in animals, a diet filled with soluble fiber helped convert immune cells that were pro-inflammatory into anti-inflammatory and immune-supporting ones. Another animal study published in May 2018 in the Journal of Immunity found that a diet high in dietary fiber protected mice against the flu. Whether those effects would be seen in humans is unclear until there are more studies. Still, there is a reason to believe that apples may bolster immunity, in part because they contain immune-boosting vitamin C. A review published in November 2017 in the journal Nutrients found that vitamin C plays many roles in helping the immune system function. Number 4. Apples may be good for your heart. Apples have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. One reason may be that apples contain soluble fiber, the kind that help lower your blood cholesterol levels. They also contain polyphenols, which have antioxidant effects. Many of these are concentrated in the peel. One of these polyphenols is the flavonoid epicatechin, which may lower blood pressure. An analysis of the study found that a high intake of flavonoids were linked to a 20% lower risk of stroke. Flavonoids can help prevent heart disease by lowering blood pressure, reducing bad or LDL oxidation, and acting as antioxidants. Another study comparing the effects of eating an apple a day to taking statins, a class of drug known to lower cholesterol, concluded that apples would be almost as effective as reducing days from heart disease as the drugs. However, since this was not a controlled trial, findings must be taken with a grain of salt. Another study linked consuming white-fleshed fruits and vegetables such as apples and pears to a reduced risk of stroke. For every 25 grams or about 1/5 cup of apple slices consumed, the risk of stroke decreased by 9%. Number 5. Apples are a diabetes-friendly fruit. Several studies have linked eating apples to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. If you have type 2 diabetes, consider adding apples to your diet. Sure, they are a fruit, but it's a common misconception that people with diabetes can't eat fruit. In this case, apple's soluble fiber can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and may improve blood sugar levels. A healthy diet that includes insoluble fiber can lower your odds of developing type 2 diabetes in the first place. Furthermore, a study of people with type 2 diabetes published in August 2016 in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine found that regularly consuming soluble fiber help reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar and triglyceride levels. In one large study, eating an apple a day was linked to a 28% lower risk of type 2 diabetes compared to not eating any apples. Number 6. Apples can aid digestion. You have likely heard that fiber is good for digestion, and what you have heard is true. According to Harvard Health Publishing, both types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, which means it can't be absorbed in water, are important for digestion, and you're in luck. Apples have both types, according to the University of Illinois. Soluble fiber helps slow down digestion, allowing you to feel full, and also slow the digestion of glucose, which helps control your blood sugar. Meanwhile, insoluble fiber can help move food through your system and aid with constipation. Just make sure to eat the apple skin, which contains much of the apple's insoluble fiber, according to the University of Illinois. Number 7. They may have prebiotic effects and promote good gut bacteria. Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic. This means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Your small intestine doesn't absorb fiber during digestion. Instead, It goes into your colon where it can promote the growth of good bacteria. It also turns into other helpful compounds that circulate through your body. New research suggests that this may be the reason behind some of the protective effects of apples against obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Number 8. Cancer prevention. While there is no one surefire way to prevent cancer, apples could help play a role. Apples may reduce the risk of certain cancers, which researchers speculate is related to the antioxidants found in apples. Research suggests that apples have a very high level of antioxidants, and in laboratory studies, these antioxidants have been shown to limit cancer cell growth. A review published in October 2016 in Public Health Nutrition found that eating apples regularly is associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including colorectal, oral cavity, esophageal, and breast cancers. The fiber in apples may provide cancer-preventing perks. A study published in March 2016 in the journal Pediatrics found that women who ate more high-fiber foods during adolescence and young adulthood, especially lots of fruits and vegetables, had a lower breast cancer risk later in life. Number 9. Help fight asthma. Antioxidant-rich apples may help protect your lungs from oxidative damage. A large study in more than 68,000 women found that those who ate the most apples had the lowest risk of asthma. Eating about 15% of a large apple per day was linked to a 10% lower risk of this condition. Apple skin contains the flavonoid quercetin, which can help regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation. These are two ways in which it may affect asthma and allergic reactions. Number 10. Apples may be good for bone health. Eating fruits is linked to higher bone density, which is a marker for bone health. Researchers believe that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in fruits may help promote bone density and strength. Some studies show that apples specifically may positively affect bone health. In one study, women ate a meal that either included fresh apples, peeled apples, apple sauce, or no apple products. Those who ate apples lost less calcium from their bodies than the control group. Number 11. Apples may protect against stomach injury from Nsaids. The class of painkillers known as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or Nsaids, can injure the lining of your stomach. A study in the test tube and rats found that freeze-dried apple extract helped protect stomach cells from injury due to Nsaids. Two plant compounds in apples, chlorogenic acid and catechin, are thought to be particularly helpful. However, research in humans is needed to confirm these results. Number 12. Apples may help protect your brain. Most research focuses on apple peel and flesh. However, apple juice may have benefits for age-related mental decline. In animal studies, juice concentrate reduced harmful reactive oxygen species, or ROS, in brain tissue and minimized mental decline. Similarly, researchers who fed elderly rats whole apples found that a marker of the rat's memory was restored to the level of younger rats. That said, whole apples contain the same compounds as apple juice, and it is always a healthier choice to eat your fruit whole. Number 13. Apples may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Time to start eating more apples and other flavonoid-rich foods like berries and tea. Research published in August 2020 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults aged 50 and older who included only a small amount of flavonoid-rich foods like berries, apples, and tea in their diet were whopping 2 to 4 times more likely to develop Alzheimer's disease and related types of dementia over 20 years compared with people who ate more flavonoid-rich foods. On top of that, a review published in January 2020 in the Journal of Biomolecules found that quercetin, a flavonoid found in apples, protects neurons from oxidative damage and contains other anti-Alzheimer's disease properties too. But the researchers say more research needs to be done outside a laboratory setting. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled 13 interesting health benefits of eating apples. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from day to day. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.